If one stings, y'all shoot him.
If one stings, shooting.
Oh my God. He's eating a hoe. Oh, I'm scared he'd shoot him. What if I miss?
Dude,
Is that him
gotta be
again?
a locust.
That's him again, ain't it?
It's gotta be him, dude.
He's gone.
No, he's there.
You serious?
Yeah, I promise. Look at him from over here.
Alright, couple more shots.
I just barely missed him. It ain't him.
I know. If he's on at least it would hurt. There ain't no locust. They fall fast in there.
I know it.
Well, I bet you was really close to him though.
Dude, I've never shot him. I mean, you can look at it right here, Brad, and from here it definitely looks.
No, there too.
From here it definitely looks like locust. See the
Thing's still alive.
thing right in the middle of that crotch? That's what you were looking at.
Yeah, that's what I shoot at.
Oh my God.
Is that the same thing?
Oh my
It
God.
looks like it's got a white belly
No.
from here.
They're looking right straight up from right here.
They use eyeball out now.
Yeah, I know what you're looking at. Shoot that crotch, that ain't him.
No.
No.
That was him.
But I heard it coming.
That son of a bitch.
Oh, I think scared the shit out of me, man. The beef